Hi, welcome to Semai. Semai is an AI-driven SEO and content platform. What you're seeing is the first screen, which is a dashboard once you log in. Most of the details are quite similar to the other SEO tools which you will see. But there are a couple of things which are very quite different. One is what we call the page optimization status. That means in your website, how many pages actually need optimization, which are so the tool automatically crawls all your web pages and actually says that this many pages needs optimization for SEO. If you scroll down, you'll also see what we call a blog site persona. That means how is your blog? How are your blogs are getting written? Is it for informational purposes, or is it something more commercial, or is it topical? So it actually gives a persona for your blogs. And of course, the action needed in terms of how many blogs are there which needs action, right? How many blog optimizations are needed, and it also gives you content suggestions here. So these are some of the unique things that the tool gives in your dashboard. And once you scroll up, you can actually start looking at an SEO wizard, which is basically all the tools you need to get your SEO up and running. So you have the on-page optimization, whether you have an existing page or you want to create a new page, all those optimization can be done in basically a couple of minutes, best case scenario, right? Which is probably not possible in any of the other tools that is available at this point of time. Typically takes days and weeks. Now, apart from that, there are a few unique features, which is one is a ranking drop predictor. Most of the time, you will only know but if you have lost your ranking after the fact. But here, the tool predicts when your ranking could be dropped, and it also tells you which website is or web page is going to take your position. Then keyword research is unique in Semi, apart from your typical Google Planner. Semi's algorithm also gives its own version of what are the best keywords we need to use for your content. Also, it gives you what kind of clusters typically have a higher chance of getting ranked in search engines. So this is very unique. We have our own algorithm in keyword research. Apart from that, there is of course content analysis. We actually are able to track every aspect of your content analysis, basically headers, content, ranking, all the data that you want to get tracked gets tracked. These are typical backlink gap analyzer based on your competition, which backlink you need to go after. And of course, an off-page SEO where for your topic or your product, what kind of listing sites or directory you want to go and get listed. It also helps in backlinks and also gets in some leads. That's your SEO wizard. Now we have the content wizard. This interesting content wizard is because AI funnel content is where you can generate your blog. Again, there are many websites, products which actually does content generation. But what is unique with funnel content is that, for example, I can add my own content to the content generation. So you see the upload or paste additional content. Apart from that, it actually generated internal links automatically. Typically, and you would actually spend some time trying to find out what internal links are apt for this. Here, the tool itself will find the internal links for you and add it to the block seamlessly. And again, the water block that you generate from here, you can generate for not just the search engines, also for the LLMs. And you can create your own style. For example, you can create your own brand style in terms of how you want the content to be written, the tone, and the style. And again, there are various versions of how you want the content can be written. And the interesting thing is, once I put a topic here, it automatically generates the keywords rather than you trying to think what keyword needs to happen. So these are some of the very unique things that Semi does from a content generation perspective. Now, if you go to the other parts of content wizard, there is a topic journey where you put a keyword, it will actually suggest you what topics you need to write on. Then obviously you have the brand voice, which is your brand style or your content style. You can audit your content. You can also refresh your blog. Like most of the time, there's no point writing blog again and again. It can help you in refreshing the blog for both search engines and for LLMs. So it's a very comprehensive content platform and SEO. Apart from that, you do have the technical SEO for each page, which you could look at to see how it can be, improved. What are technical issues that's plaguing your SEO strategy. So at a high level, this is what Semai does. So if you just to summarize, you can optimize your page in 2 minutes with Semai, which typically takes days and weeks. You can actually find out when you're going to lose your keyword ranking, even before you know. So that is something you don't see in any other product. And the content generation is also quite amazing in the sense that it's able to generate content for LLMs and search engines. You're able to generate. It is able to include your internal linkings in your website, and you can even get your own thought leadership content or any technical product into the blog. So these are some unique features that it comes with. So we have automated the whole SEO process with the optimization agents, audit agents, keyword ranking, drop agents. So hope this is quite helpful. Thanks for watching.